Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to create a page automatically using the MKT Page software. First, you need to select the account you want to use to create the page. You can name the page based on the list you enter, or let it randomly generate a Vietnamese or US name. Next, you'll need to enter the page category. For this part, you should choose categories related to your industry. For example, mine here are health, beauty, shopping, retail, and fashion. Next, you'll need to enter your page's bio. Keep in mind that Facebook limits this section to just 255 characters, so make sure it's concise. You can also add a phone number, just make sure to include the country code. For example, if you're in Vietnam, it should start with +84. The same goes for the website if you have one. Make sure to add it here as well. Next, to optimize for SEO, you need to fill in the detailed address. You can invite friends to like the page, depending on the number you set up. You can also update the page's profile picture and cover photo. Just prepare the images on your computer beforehand. And finally, you can share page admin rights. Just enter the number of admins and the UID of their Facebook accounts. Now, you just need to hit start, and the software will automatically create the pages based on what you've just set up. Here, I'm just demoing with one account, but you can let the software create up to 1,000 pages automatically. I'll wrap up the video here. If you're interested, send me a message using the contact info in the description to connect. Thank you, everyone.